Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a really tasty beetroot salad. Come along! You'll need some beetroots, we'll cook them in the pot, some garlic cloves, lemon for the sauce, and some parsley if you have it. Let's start. The first step is to peel the beetroot. We'll peel all of the beetroots, okay? Do that for all three. I compost all the peels. I make sure that the cutting board doesn't have any soil on it. By the way, this salad is salt-free, oil-free, sugar-free. It's all 100% plant-based, whole, and very tasty. It's going to be very tasty and very healthy. Now we're dicing up the beetroots. We'll make cubes out of them. Okay, this was the last one. Now we'll fill the pot with water. Cover the dices with water. Now let's put the pot on the stove and boil it. Put it on high heat now. Cover it. After it will boil, we'll let it simmer for around 20 minutes. In the meantime, we'll make the sauce. Peel the garlic cloves and chop them to small bits. After you've peeled the cloves, chop the ends off. Now we'll chop them all up. You can put as much garlic as you would like. Chop them into small bits. Chop them finely. Finer the better. Now we'll move them into a small container where we'll make the sauce, and the sauce is very simple. And now we'll make lemon juice from a very big lemon because it's very tasty with lemon. I'll pour the lemon into our glass jar. Okay, the second lemon, very big lemons. We want to have half a cup, okay? And there we have the sauce. The sauce is done. The beetroot is boiling. Now we'll need to let it simmer, so I turn down the heat to around 4 and we'll let it cook for 20 minutes to half an hour till it softens. Now to the next step. We're now going to chop some parsley. Chop the parsley finely, and this we'll put on top of our salad. You can chop it finely. And we'll put it aside for now until the beetroot will be ready. These are the sauce of the beetroot salad ingredients. Chopped garlic, half a cup of lemon, freshly squeezed, and chopped parsley. So let it simmer like this for until it softens. Usually takes between 20 minutes to 30 minutes. If it's not soft by that time, let it simmer some more. Okay, so 30 minutes have passed. Let's see. Yeah, they are very soft. You can see. Okay, so now let's make the salad. Yeah, I'm not pouring out the water because we can drink it, and it makes a very tasty drink from the beetroot water. And moving it into a Pyrex dish. Stir the garlic and lemon sauce and pour it over. Yeah, it's very, very tasty. We'll mix it up. However you like, just mix it. And now let's add the parsley. It's very, very tasty. You can serve it like this, or I like to mix it all up. It's so tasty. And you can leave it in the fridge for about a week. It's good. And the taste only gets better with time. It's really very tasty. Okay, so there you have it. The perfect beetroot salad. There we go. Let's taste it. Amazing. So, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment below. And enjoy this wonderful beetroot salad. See you in the next video.